Shout eBay Dropshipping Marketplace Integrator Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. In this video, we'll be reviewing the eBay Dropshipping Marketplace Integrator, exploring its features, strengths, and weaknesses to help you determine if it's the right tool for your dropshipping business. Links to the platform and related resources are provided in the description below for your convenience. The eBay Dropshipping Marketplace Integrator is designed to simplify the process of connecting your eBay store with reliable dropshipping suppliers, enabling you to automate product listings, order fulfillment, and inventory management. One of the standout features is automatic product importing, allowing you to add products from suppliers like AliExpress, Walmart, and others directly to your eBay store with optimized titles, descriptions, and images. This tool also supports automated order fulfillment, meaning that once a customer places an order on eBay, it is automatically sent to the supplier for processing, saving you time and reducing errors. This platform is built for eBay sellers looking to scale their business or simplify their dropshipping workflow. It's ideal for both beginners and experienced sellers, offering features like real-time inventory synchronization and pricing updates, which ensure that your eBay listings are always accurate and reflect the latest stock and price changes. Additionally, the multi-channel integration allows you to manage multiple eBay accounts or even integrate with other marketplaces, helping you diversify your sales channels. The strengths of the eBay Dropshipping Marketplace Integrator include its automation capabilities, which can save significant time and reduce manual work, especially for larger stores. The ability to sync inventory and pricing in real time reduces the risk of selling out-of-stock items or selling at incorrect prices. The platform also offers useful analytics and performance tracking, helping you optimize your store and product offerings for maximum profit. However, there are a few weaknesses to consider. The cost of the integrator, particularly for higher-tier features, can be a bit steep, especially for those just starting out. Additionally, eBay has strict policies on dropshipping, so sellers need to be cautious and ensure they comply with eBay's rules to avoid account suspension. Some users also report occasional syncing delays, particularly during high-demand periods. In conclusion, the eBay Dropshipping Marketplace Integrator is a highly useful tool for streamlining your eBay dropshipping operations, offering great automation and inventory management features. If you're serious about scaling your eBay business and want to save time, this integrator is definitely worth considering. Be sure to check the links in the description for more details and to get started.